Good morning, parents and students. Okay, here today we are going to start the class, but first we have the recap exercise. No, so I'm going to give you a quick recap on class 3 what you had learned. No, that only I'm going to give you. So today you will be start writing your homework. So for that I want to give you some instructions. Okay, so the notes and the homework whatever it is given, you will write only in the copy. You will not write in the book. Write it only in the copy, because when you write some you are writing in the book, and there is some there is no space in the book, then you write it in the copy. Okay, some are in the copy, some are in the copy in the book, and copy I didn't want. So all of you uniformly you write it in the book, in the copy. And this is also another thing for your practice, because in the exam time you are not able to complete whatever the sum is given in the exam question paper. No, so if you write only the answer in the book, no, very short, no, you will not have the practice of writing quicker. No, so better now itself you start practicing writing in your copy. Okay, when you write in your copy, question and answer everything you will write. In the exam time I will explain you which one you will write in the copy and what you will write in your in the exam time, whether you have to write the question or answer, that I will explain afterwards. Okay, but now for homework you will write question and answer. Okay, don't write only the answer, you will write the question and answer. And when you send also put the page number, exercise number and send me, then only I will know. Again, next you will write with the pen, only with the pen, not with pencil at all. Up to class 3 only you are using pencil, but from class 4 onwards you have to use only pen. Pencil is not at all allowed for class 4. You have to write only with pen. Again, when you click and send it clearly. Okay, you see that after clicking it, you see whether it is clear, that it can be seen, like that you see it, and crop and send. When you take it from far distance, the letters will be very small, no, cannot see. So you crop and send. There is an option, you edit the photo and crop and send. And when you click also, don't click 2 pages together. So when you have your copy, there are 2 pages, isn't it? Suppose now I am taking the book. So when I take the book, this is 1 page and this is 1 page. So don't click both the page together. If you are clicking first, only you click this page. Then after that you click this page. So each page separately you click and send it. Okay, you can send it in PDF format, otherwise you can send it in document format, otherwise just like single photos also, that way also you can send it. Okay, so this instruction I want to give for your notification about the homework. Another thing, daily do the homework, don't keep it together. Don't wait when offline start, that time I will do. Not like that, daily practice, then only maths will be easier. Don't say that homework is more. Maths, it is not like other subject. Without practicing you cannot do maths. Just knowing the concept is not enough in maths. You have to know the concept and you have to have more practice, more and more, then only it will get into your mind. Otherwise maths will be difficult for you. So whatever the sum is given, you practice at home, the homework. No? And I cannot explain all the sums in the video, because only 15 minutes video at a time I can send. So if I explain everything, then I have to send for you so many videos. So I will not explain all the homework sums, only whatever is necessary, that only I will be explaining. All other things you will do by yourself. Sit at home and you can write, and you can say click and send it. Otherwise even you can bring it to school also. If you are nearby, or if you are in Itanagar, you can bring it to the school. I am in the school only. I will correct and give you a copy. Okay, now let's have a quick recap on what you had learned in class 3. Okay, the smallest one digit number is 1, and the greatest one digit number is 9. Okay, this you know already, I think. The number begins with 1 and there are 9 digits, no single digits are there, so that 9 is the biggest one. And with this bigger one, the biggest one digit number, if you plus 1 you will get 10. 9 plus 1, 10. So now 10 becomes 2 digit, 1 and 2 digits. So 10 is the first 2 digit number. So since it is a first 2 digit number, so surely it will be the smallest 2 digit number. So the smallest 2 digit number is 10. And the last 2 digit number is 99. So in greatest number only 9 will come. Always you remember, in greatest number 9 will come. If it is a 1 digit number, 1 9. If it is a 2 digit number, 2 nines. If it is a 3 digit number, 3 nines, like that. Okay. So with this, if you plus 1, 99 plus 1, you will get 100. So 100, now this is a 3 digit number. 99, 1, 2, only 2 digits. Now 100 if you take, there are 3 digits. So 100 is the greatest, no, smallest, that is the first 3 digit number. So it is the smallest 3 digit number. And the greatest 3 digit number will be 999. Okay, and with this the same thing, if you plus 1 you will get 1000, and 1000 is the first 4 digit number and it is the smallest 4 digit number. And the greatest 4 digit number is 9999. You remember digits means if it is given digits, the number 1 digit means it will be only 1 number. If it is 2 digit means there will be 2 numbers. If 3 digit means there will be 3 numbers. If 4 digit means there will be 4 numbers. Suppose if the number is like this. Like this. So here you see 1, 2, 3, 4. There are 4 numbers are there. So it is a 4 digit number. This is the way you calculate. Okay, if you take 27, so 1, 2, there are only 2 numbers, so it is a 2 digit number. This is the way we calculate 1 digit and 2 digit number. Next we will learn number name, otherwise writing in words. Writing the name of the number, otherwise write the name in the words. Okay, so this one let's learn. So to write the number name, you must know the place of the numbers. Okay, so the place will be the first one. Always the first one is from the right side. Okay, so that is ones. The first place is ones, the next place is tens, then the next place is hundreds, then the next place is thousand. Already last year I have told you the numbers you place it from ones place. When you place it from ones, you will start from the right side, not from the left side. When you are writing, you are starting from now. Suppose I am writing number, I started writing from the left side. But the numbers always they are positioned or placed from the right side. Okay, just opposite of writing other languages. Okay, so you have to start from the right side. So this if you remember, then the number name is easy. Suppose now I am giving a number here, example. See the number, in thousands place 6, in hundreds place 1, in tens place 4, in ones place 8. So here is the number, like this is there. So when you write the number name, these two together you have to read it. Okay, the last 2 digits, tens and ones together you have to read out. Okay, all other things you see the number is here 6, so you have to write 6 again, and its place is 1000, so you will write 6000. You will write it 6000, and the next number is 1, so 1, and its place is 100, so 100, and the last 2 you write and you write the last 2. I told you to read these 2 together. So when you write 4 and 8, how will you read it? Is 48. So you write it 48. So this is the way you write the number name, 6148. Okay, so last 2 digit you read it like this. Suppose here is no 100 is not there, so 0 is here. Okay, 100 is not there, so you will write 6000. Since there is no 100, so this 100 part you no need to write. So 6048. 6048. Suppose here 2 is here, and suppose here 0 is here. Here is 0. So you have to write 6000. 6200. So 200s. And here these 2 together you have to read 0 and 8. How will you read? This is 8. You will read it 8. So you will write only 8 here. Okay, this is the way you remember the place. No, then it will be easy. First, if you are finding it difficult, first you write the number, and on the top you write the places. Then you can, according to that, you can write. Suppose here 4 is here, and here 0 is here. Okay, so 6200s, and these 2 together I told you, right? So it is 40. So you have to write 40. And another thing you remember, in 40 there is no u will come. In 4, when you write 4, F-O-U-R, 4. But 40, it is the u will not come. This u doesn't come here in 40. Okay, the spelling you must remember. So this is the way you have to write the number name. Now let's see the face value and the place value. You see now the number is here 9073. The number is here. So here you have to find the face value and the place value of the numbers. So now you see here 9. First the 1000 place we will start. Otherwise you can start from ones place also. So if you start with ones place, the number is 3. So what is the number in ones place? That only will be the place value, face value. So 3 is the face value of 3. Again, place value how will you find? Means the number is what? It is 3. Okay, and it's in which place? It's in ones place. So you multiply by 1. So 3 into 1, 3. So this is the place value of 3. Okay, this is the place value of 3. Now face value of 7. The number in tens place is 7. So 7 is the face value. 7 is the face value, and its place value will be, the number is 7 and it's in tens place. It is in tens place, so you have to multiply by 10. 7 into 10, 70. So 70 is the place value of 7. Next one, 0. So the number here, what is it? It is 0. So 0 is the face value, and its place value is, number is 0, and you have to multiply by the place. The place is 100. So if you multiply by 100, 0 into 100, 0. So 0, wherever 0 is there, its place value will be 0 only. 0's face value and place value will be the same. And the number in ones place, its face value and the place value also will be same. See here, the number in ones place, its place value and face value will be the same. And 0 also, for 0 its place value and the face value will be the same. Again, next one, 9. So its face value is 9 and its place value is 9 into its place is 1000. So multiply by 1000, it is 9000. So its place value is 9000. Okay. So now the same way from here you can learn expanded form. Expanded form. Expanded form, how will you write? This is the same. This place value is there. Now 9. First 9, it is in 1000 place. So 9 into 1000, 9000. So the place value only you write in addition. That's all. 9's place value is 9000. Plus, again next number is 0. 0's place value is 0. Plus 7's place value is 70. Again plus 3's place value is 3. Just this, all the numbers, no, its place value you write in addition. Plus 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 you write. That is the expanded form. And short form is without writing plus, no, without writing plus, you write the number as it is. This number, what is given, like this you have to change this. It will be given in addition like this. You have to write it like this. Okay, that is 9073. This is a short form. Okay, I think this is easier. I think you can do by yourself. Anyway, once again, this all coming again in your lesson. So once again I will be teaching. That time I will teach in detail. Okay, next one, successor and predecessor. Successor means you have to plus 1 and predecessor means you have to minus 1. Now for 495, the successor will be, if you plus 1 it will be 496. If you minus 1 it will be 494. So this is a successor, this is a predecessor. Again, successor of 800 is 801 and predecessor of 800 is minus 1. If you minus, it will be 799. So this is the way you write the successor and the predecessor. Okay, now like this digits will be given. From that, using these, only you have to use these digits and you have to form the greatest and the smallest number. So to form the greatest number, first in this among them, what is the biggest one that you have to write? So here the biggest one is 9. Again smaller than that it is 6. Again smaller than this is 2. Again smaller than that is 0. So this is the greatest number using these digits. So it is 9620, and here you will not write comma. When it is given in digits, the question comma will be given, but when you write the answer, don't write the comma. Again, to write the smallest number, you have to write smallest number from here. Among these, the smallest one is 0, but we don't write 0. We don't begin the number with 0. So before that, you have to add any number. So to add any number, just a little bigger than 0 you have to see, that is 2. That only you will write, not any number, just bigger than 0 is 2. Again 0 will come second. Then after that, now bigger than 2 is 6. Again bigger than 6 is 9. So 2069, this is the smallest number. This is the way you have to calculate. Thank you.